Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sign and signature in any PDF file and in any letter. So here I have a offer letter and I need to add a sign in this offer letter. Here you can see there is a space, but I need to add a sign. So how I can do this? It's very simple. First of all, you need to go to Google Chrome and here you need to type I love PDF. This is the website we are going to use. Simply click on this website. Drop down here we have a signed PDF. Just click on this and here we need to select our PDF, and this is my offer letter. I need to select it, only me. So here I need to give the name. So John Smith, this is the name. I can select the sign type, like I'm going to give the signatures like this is my format. We can also draw the signatures if you want. We can also select the font style, and this is the company stamp. If you want to add, you can upload this from here and just click on the save. And here we have a sign. Now we simply need to the drag and drop. This is the sign. I wanna paste it here. Here you can see I can adjust the sign size, like I wanna short the size of this like this. Here you go, my sign is completed, and simply now I need to convert this, download the file. This is my offer letter. Here we can see the output. This is my offer letter with complete signature. Here you can see. So by using this simple step, we can easily sign our any document, any letter, any PDF file. So to get more informative videos, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take care.